Doing have a COVID test to come back to Jamaica. Yeah, so testing. It's free. Bless you, Leah. Here in America. Oh, you good, Leah? You okay? Danny next. Yes, so next Danny. Osh, Danny.
Gotta go 5 seconds, okay?
He will not make it. Osh, Danny, you need 5. Alright guys, we are getting ready to go back to Jamaica, and as you know, the COVID test is required, even though they drop out the form here, but COVID test is still there. So we just did the free COVID test. Testing is free in America, which is great, but he was digging my nose longer than the Jamaican people when they did my COVID test. I think it's different type of test, you know. But I don't know. But he was digging it like 10 seconds. 5 here and 5 here.
But why do they only do one side of my nose though?
That's what I'm saying. Why you never get no digging for long?
Very good.
When I got a lot digging in my nose, so I'm dig out my nose. So we had to come back to the COVID testing place because they spelled my name wrong, and without the right spelling, I cannot fly to Jamaica. I need the right spelling. So we came back. Errol is mad. Yeah. So, like Errol did it on the phone first, but they changed it, and they changed it again around. Drove back to the testing place, so they had to do the next test. Yeah. And we are now sitting here waiting on the results. Yeah. Because Errol said he will leave me in America if me are gonna be the problem. Yeah. But you cannot leave me, dude. You cannot leave me. We're family. Yeah, Errol just stressed out. Errol stressed out. But I hope everything gonna go through, and I'm good to go. I'm good to go. Yeah? Say yeah, Errol.
Are you your friend that must just know?
I don't know why people cannot pronounce my name. Please tell me that it's right. Yes? Yeah?
Hello?
Errol is checking. Again, one more time.
Nikiforova. Perfect. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay,
thank you,
I do apologize for the inconvenience. My supervisor apologized as well for the mishap. Is there anything else that I can do for you? Any other questions or concerns?
No, it's perfect. Thank you. Just thank you for this. Thank you.
No, you're very welcome. And on behalf of CDR Health, we do apologize again for the mistake and the mishap. You do enjoy the rest of your day, and thank you so much for entrusting us with your testing process. You do stay safe. Take care.
Yeah, you too.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Alright. Almost left Soggy in America.
So please tell me that everything alright now.
We almost left in America, youth. All it. I got you. That's why you worry about, you tell people about more. If you tell them, say a suitcase today, I worry about shopping.
No, I'm afraid that you'll be overweight, man.
You worry about suitcase and shopping, and if you worry about your visa.
We don't worry about no
Need
shopping.
the COVID test.
Man, we worry about no shopping.
And
We don't shop,
and
no.
kids, they must stress me about Chuck E. Cheese and them phone shit there. When not more serious things to deal with. When they find look at tight thing, what do you need about? Because you know, when the hummingbird ready to take off, for me alone, for me alone for the hummingbird, and me alone for the hummingbird. Since they love me, because they leave on the dog here. We're going to need Uncle Sam. Stop stress me out. They mean me yet. Chuck E. Cheese, Chuck E. Cheese, Chuck E. Cheese. And you, oh, why no suitcase cost? No, youth. Dying for reach back from motherland. Land of paradise. Come in, Jamaica. Come in. Tired of this place, man. Oh, me if you send you on passport with the person name, and you can tell me about what you hear over the phone.
And Sheila,
she even spell out the letter them. She even say N for nice, I for insect, and still spell the name wrong.
It's like, what the hell?
After that, you call me and ask me, because I guess she assume say maybe we try false the COVID test, because the first name completely different from.
Because they put city name where the passport was given.
So that nothing to do with me. And you ask me to send you the passport, and I send you the passport. So you tell me, so when I send you the passport, you know, look on the passport, and say, oh, see, I really that name there last name. The idiot still send back an ex-COVID test with a different name. So what you want me to do?
And she, you know, the way she was like getting like attitude-ish and you know? Me shocked. That's so unprofessional.
She said she do foolishness after now, then that's why you hear so nice when I go up on the phone, but even if somebody tell you a name over the phone, so what if me really did a lie then and I tell her one name over the phone? She just give me the COVID test after the name over the phone?
That is true. How it's possible?
That don't make no sense. So obviously, and you ask me to send a passport because you want to verify the name.
Right.
So you tell me say send you the passport and you don't verify the name? That don't make sense again. So everything does sound like stupidness to me, yo. And that's why I feel so pissed off and so angry, cause.
But I heard like she start like getting hot,
no,
you know?
She say the name we should do it over with, and that me tell her. So me if I ask her if you think me can't spell my wife name. I mean I never tell her that, but she even me say the woman say N for nice, I for insect. So me I go I made up on the phone how long and she spell over the name like 3 times.
She don't know the alphabet.
No, because no. You know what?
What?
Know that she gonna look and she said she have the passport.
Yeah.
She said the name wrong.
Yeah.
The supervisor
you can't be wrong.
No, the supervisor probably J power up and say, oh,
if
you take a name and you take a passport and you don't verify it.
Right.
Yeah, obviously that's why she come back now all nice and I say, hey, is there anything I can do for you?
That's true.
Because obviously supervisor J power. And that means I could tell her say my name Mickey Mouse and she just put Mickey Mouse on the COVID test give me.
I wouldn't even question Mickey Mouse. Yo, it's stress out. But we're going. I got DJ Khaled place or you want African food?
You know, can you go check these? Then can come from the case?
Alright.
I think more can go there where the go.
Yeah, that hurt me though. I feel stressed. Me feel stressed out.
Because the girl make me can't speak again.
Remember, you have to full the tank back, you know, before you give back the car. Or they're gonna charge us next set up bag of money.
That's why the food put in it and it's full it.
Yeah, guys, and we check out our Airbnb. Yeah. And now Errol will be somebody who will write a review for the host though.
This are for. The first one was just our place.
Oh.
Yeah, but me have left review to the host though.
You're gonna leave the review?
Yeah, me have left review for the host though.
Yeah, cause look how it was nice though. Guys, we decided to not go to DJ Khaled place and we went to see Jollof Pot. That's why we went. Yeah. And Errol loved African food.
And people know Swaggy Star.
Can't believe, people in the shop know me.
Where? The girl from TikTok will mix up food.
Yeah.
Yeah, go on there.
Chicken. My viral video 2 million is getting out, almost 3 million. So I wonder, it locates me to American audience. So but people see it.
Even though you really see an American stuff.
Yeah, I could never expect that in America, you know? Never even could think about somebody could spot me. Like if I'm a Jamaican, you know?
That surprised me the most, if you're not Jamaican.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, so Errol was shelling jollof rice. Errol loved jollof rice. Yeah, I still can't finish my food. I'm gonna take it away and eat it later. Cause that's too much, a little bit too much for me. For my little stomach.
Danny, come on to the way.
Done ya do. Yeah guys, but I like it too, it has a little spice. Yeah. Alright, so what we gonna do? Go back home?
Go back home.
And get ready for fly back to Jamaica tomorrow. Well, we can't wait. Honestly, I'm missing Jamaica. I miss Jamaica. You miss Jamaica?
Right now, you You already know some more effort.
Errol stressed out. Errol just want to leave. Errol stressed out. Errol said, John, want to go home.
You want some 5 piece box food?
Yeah, and the food prices are stressed Errol out.
$34, I just pay for 2 food and 4 cheese.
Yeah, man.
But around 6 grand Jamaican.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Box food that
could I that steal? Yeah.
3 days, the box food one that is no hummingbird.
Yeah, man. We have to skedaddle. This is not
America, you know, no cheap food are good. I mean, I want a burger.
Yeah, cheap food junk, you know. A junk.
Want some cheap rice and peas and chicken.
But even Jamaican food pricey. Jamaican food pricey here. Cause how much you pay? But still, compare like Jamaican food not bad. Cause them give you a good amount of everything, you know. It's not bad too. $10 yeah. But in Jamaican restaurant you can get a curry goat for the price. Yeah. Because here me pay for think a goat meat. This I was eating a goat meat and I pay like $15. Yeah. And the restaurant where he was buying them sell like them no cook rice and peas.
Gungo peas.
Yeah, gungo. I hate it.
Lady said it's expensive now, so she no buy it. But I understand that.
The owner of the restaurant.
But still, when people their yard, I think gungo peas are substitute for any rice and peas. But I never expect that.
Oh.
But maybe things slow, maybe things not turn over fast enough. But you know, just take white rice. Before you go to white rice, come like funeral food. You can't manage.
Yeah, guys, Errol just missing original box food from yard. Yard box food. Alright, we're on the way. Mud. Java. Mud. Fire truck. Morning, guys. So it's like 6 o'clock in the morning. We are ready to leave. Yeah, we're going back to Jamaica. Everybody asleep? Yeah, man, everybody asleep. We need to go. Yes. Safe flight.
They're all dancing.
Yeah, the airport looks crowded, especially this sector. And it's like 7 in the morning. No, it's 8 in the morning. I'm lying, but it's so crowded, especially the side where we're going. Found the gate, guys. Finally. Errol is watching Vietnamese football. English? Oh, where the Vietnam? Oh no! Don't throw the blanket, Danny. Pick up the blanket. Okay, yeah. We're waiting. Soon, see, time for us. 10:34 a.m. We're gonna board. Yeah, maybe a little bit earlier. I'm flying to Montego Bay, guys. Yeah.
It's like this airplane.
Yes.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, we're gonna now departure. So Errol's not sitting with us. Errol's sitting at the back of the plane, and we are here.
We just go the airplane just like up there.
You're gonna go up there.
This is a yellow airplane.
Okay, yeah.
We're inside on this
Yellow airplane. Yes. So we just look. Yes. I'm gonna go back now, right now, to Mobile. Yeah, guys, we back. Leo is sleeping. Leo knocked out. Oh, Danny, same thing. Daniel is sleeping. Yeah, we arrived almost. Now gonna land. That was such a fast flight, you know. It was fast. Where is Errol? Errol, and get closer. You just get closer and closer, you know. Guys, we safely arrived. And we're back. We're back at departures because Errol gone look for him driver's license because he feels like he lost it somewhere here.
No.
What's up?
Now we're back in.
You found it?
Someone lost on phone down the
Guys, we back. Errol? Yeah, finally. I will not show you my nose. It's under construction. Oh, American food is bad. We're back there. Back home. I was missing home. I don't tell a lie. I was missing this place. I love it. And Jamaica. I love Jamaica. The weather good and it's so chilly. And now we're going to eat tasty food. Really, really tasty hard food. Yes, Leo? Gonna eat some nice cooked food. Yes. I'm missing some boiled veggies. No, boiled banana and boiled yam, something like that. Something like that I want right now. Yeah, so we're going on the road to eat. So thanks God the journey was safe. We landed safely and went through really quick enough. Moby Airport, nice enough. I don't like. We went through fast. Danny? Yes, sir. Danny is at home enjoying. You was missing your home? Miss Jamaica? You miss Jamaica?
Yes.
Oh. Yes, I big up the Dollar Tree store. Decoration. See, guys, I brought a painted for Dollar Tree for the world. See, Daniel? You see the crab? See, Leo, you see the crab? It's gone? Yeah, it was somewhere there. Oh, Daniel sees crabs. See, Danny found a lot of crabs, but he calls them spiders. Guys, party agwan. We're back. Yeah, so first thing first, I ordered some nice oxtail. Yeah, some rice and peas. Yeah, I'm so glad I'm back. See, guys, see there? Beautiful. See, Jamaica. Yeah, and I met Russian people on the plane. They were flying to Montego Bay with us. Here, guys, the first meal since we landed in Jamaica. Our welcome back home meal: oxtail, rice and peas salad. Oi, food nice. Yay! The only one thing I regret that I never had a chance to bring my mom here so she got stuck in Jamaica with me. Yeah, the only thing I worry about my mom. Yeah, but so goes.
Nobody could see this coming out.
No?
No one could see this coming, couldn't see.
Oh, something biting me. Oh.
Our aunt answer bite you.
Скажи, я ходил в Макдональдс.
Я ходил в Макдональдс
И я нашел ее в Хэппи Миле, эту игрушку.
Я нашел это Happy Meal вон там.
Скажи, мы купили Хэппи Мил и там нашли игрушку.
Да, посмотри.
Мультики, скажи, да, смотришь?
Посмотри.
Мы смотрим, да? See you guys, as soon as I came back to Jamaica, look what I found in my yard. Russian sweet peppers. See, you like it, Errol? Big door.
Big.
Yeah, so here you cannot really find it in Jamaica because they're unique.
Hey, did you take off the plant?
Smell it. Smells so good. I smell Russia.
Wheel.
I smell Russia in it. See? When I smell it, I smell Russia. The smell is so unique. I couldn't find such a sweet pepper in Jamaica. And I carry the seeds from Russia and it smells so good. Since I come to Jamaica, I haven't tested my weight, so let's see if I gained in America. 55? I cannot say that I gained. No, that's good. That's good for me. No, I did not gain in America. Too much road. Yeah. Wake up. It's time to go to school. Good morning, Danny. It's time to go to school. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. School is calling Danny. Ding, 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 ding.
Daniel.
Ding, 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 ding. Danny, wake up.
Hey boy. 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 Hey boy.
Danny doesn't want to wake up. Danny, get up. Time to go to school.
Boy, man, like me go to bed late. I gotta be early tomorrow.
Yeah, like
8 o'clock.
8, 9, yeah. Because yesterday at 10 o'clock.
No, 9.
10 o'clock.
Which 10 o'clock?
10 o'clock I'm gone yesterday.
So from time me.
Danny, get up. Time to go to school.
From time me look at. Also reach 10 o'clock. I'm to the TV and look at 9.
Come on, grab him. Come on, grab him. This thing. The pillow.